Hello and welcome to the session. Organizational Behaviour LO4. Examine how power, politics, and culture can be used to influence employee behavior and accomplish organizational goals. How do power, politics, and culture shape an organization? This video delves into their influence on employee behavior and achieving goals. Discover the dynamics within organizational structures. Power is a key resource in organizations. It can be viewed as individual, relational, or structural. Hard power includes tangible resources like finances. Soft power involves intangible resources, such as expertise. Understanding power helps in influencing employee behavior effectively. Power is used as a mechanism to achieve organizational goals. It influences employee performance and behavior. Power can be derived from authority, expertise, and rewards. Coercion and referent power also play roles. Each type of power has unique implications in different situations. Organizational politics arise from structural divisions and differing priorities. Individuals use influence to achieve personal goals. Politics can lead to conflicts and resistance during changes. Understanding politics helps navigate organizational dynamics. It is present in most organizations. Culture is a key variable affecting organizational success. It includes shared values and behavioral expectations. Culture influences employee satisfaction and innovation. It is shaped by business nature, goals, and diversity. Understanding culture aids in developing high-performance cultures. Hofstede's model identifies 6 dimensions of culture. These include power distance and individualism versus collectivism. Uncertainty avoidance and masculinity versus femininity are also key. Long-term orientation and indulgence versus restraint complete the model. These dimensions explain cultural variations globally. Power distance measures acceptance of power inequality. High power distance societies embrace hierarchy. Low power distance societies value equality. Organizational structures reflect these cultural preferences. Understanding power distance aids in navigating global business. Individualism values personal freedom and achievements. Collectivism values group success and harmony. These cultural dimensions impact workplace dynamics. They influence communication and collaboration styles. Recognizing these differences enhances cross-cultural interactions. Uncertainty avoidance measures comfort with ambiguity. High scores indicate a preference for rules and stability. Low scores indicate openness to innovation and change. This dimension affects decision-making and risk-taking. Understanding it helps in managing organizational change. Masculine cultures value competitiveness and achievement. Feminine cultures value cooperation and quality of life. These roles impact gender expectations in the workplace. Recognizing these differences aids in fostering inclusive environments. It guides leadership styles and employee interactions. Long-term orientation focuses on future rewards. Short-term orientation values immediate results. These orientations influence organizational strategies. Understanding them aids in setting realistic goals. They impact investment and innovation approaches. Indulgence allows free gratification of desires. Restraint suppresses gratification through norms. These cultural aspects impact workplace satisfaction. Recognizing these differences aids in employee engagement. It shapes organizational policies and practices. Globalization necessitates cultural understanding in business. Hofstede's model aids in navigating global markets. Digital technologies influence organizational culture. They present opportunities and challenges in remote work. Understanding these impacts enhances global business strategies. Network theory views organizations as interconnected nodes. Relationships can be formal or informal. Interdependence affects communication and decision-making. Network structure impacts efficiency and information flow. Understanding these dynamics aids organizational improvement. Systems theory views organizations as holistic systems. Interdependence and feedback loops are key concepts. Changes in one part affect the whole system. This theory emphasizes adaptability and stability. Understanding systems theory aids in managing organizational change. Culture shapes expectations of employee behavior. Shared values guide decision-making and interactions. Role modeling reinforces cultural values. Recruitment aligns with cultural expectations. A strong culture enhances engagement and performance. Shine identifies 3 levels of culture: artifacts, espoused values, and basic assumptions. Artifacts are visible cultural elements. Espoused values are stated beliefs and principles. Basic assumptions are unconscious beliefs. Understanding these levels aids in cultural management. There are several types of organizational cultures. Clan culture emphasizes community and teamwork. Adhocracy culture values innovation and risk-taking. Market culture focuses on competitiveness and results. Hierarchy culture prioritizes rules and stability. Vision and values align employees with a common purpose. Leadership models desired behaviors and values. Communication fosters trust and collaboration. Employee development supports continuous improvement. Recognition reinforces high performance and cultural alignment. Cross-cultural differences impact organizational strategies. Communication styles vary across cultures. Leadership expectations differ globally. Employee engagement is influenced by cultural values. Awareness of these differences enhances policy development. In conclusion, examining how power, politics, and culture influence employee behavior is essential for understanding how organizations function and achieve their goals. Power and politics shape decision-making, resource allocation, and relationships, while organizational culture influences values, attitudes, and acceptable behaviors. When managed effectively, these elements can motivate employees, encourage collaboration, and align individual behavior with organizational objectives. A clear understanding of power, politics, and culture enables managers to lead ethically, manage influence responsibly, and support positive organizational outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.